Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present Group 6 to present our project. We choose the chapter is a moment. Okay, my name is Ahmad Danis bin Azman. My matric number is 6CN210260.
My name is Muhammad Nur Syahid Bahiruddin and my matric number is CN210328.
And my name is Kishan Analaki Yogiswaran, matric number CN210379.
My name is Brian Yende. My matrix number is CN210380.
My name is T Bang Siu. Number matric is CN21041401.
Yeah. Moments come into play when force act on an object that has fixed point. For example, turning a door handle, sitting on a seesaw, or closing a pen scissors. When a force are applied to this object, they rotate around the fixed point, also known as a pivot of fulcrum. The moment is the turning effect of the force, that is how much the object will rotate and in which direction. Okay, moment we can define as a measure of rotation about a point. The moment of a force is the product of the force and a perpendicular distance from the point of rotation. A moment has both magnitude and direction. If the moment is moving clockwise, it's considered as a positive moment. If a moment is moving anti-clockwise, it's considered as a negative moment. So the formula to calculate the moment, we use m equal to F multiplied by D. M is a moment, F is a force, and D is distance from the point to the force. Yes. Okay. Based on the pictures is given, we can see that this is how we want to open the nut using the wheel wrench. The force used is 98 meter, and the distance is given as the picture. So beside the picture is a free body diagram based on our problem. Okay, first calculation, we use this formula cos 30 equal to 20 to h. We want to find the distance, the per distance, and we get the 23.094 centimeter, and we convert to meter, 0.231 meter. And moment, to find the moment, we use the formula that I said earlier. So the question is 98 sin 60 multiplied by 0.231, and we get negative 90.605 meter. And this moment is anti-clockwise. And the second calculation is same as the first calculation, but the difference is only distance, but the force is same. Next. Conclusion. Moment are the turning effect of force. They have a direction either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and they can be calculated by multiplying the force exerted by its distance from the pivot. Moment of a force depends on both the force and the location of the point about which the moment was evaluated. Moments are the turning effects of force. They have the direction either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and they can be calculated by multiplying the force exerted by its distance from the pivot. From this problem, the discussion we had is if the moment is a different, if the distance for the point is different, we can see that the first calculation, can we go to the previous slide? We can see that the first calculation, the distance is 0.231 meter, and the moment we get is negative 90.605 meter, and the second is the distance is 0.058 meter, and the moment we get negative 4.922 meter. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum.